Hello guys, welcome to my channel Junction IT presents Technologic. Today I am going to show you Dell Inspiron 3593 full disassembly and how to remove all motherboard. This is the laptop service tech and express service code area. Now unscrew 10 screws from the bottom base cover. Remove all the screws. See, I have unscrewed all the screws. Now I am going to open the cover. Now unlock the locks very gently to open the base cover, and always use a plastic stripe to unlock the base locks. Very gently do this. Do not use any metal thing to open this cover. Always use plastic stripe. See. Now I have opened the base cover. This is the laptop internal thing. This is the battery connection, and disconnect the battery connection first. Now unscrew the 4 screws from the battery to remove it. See, this is the battery. This is the battery capacity. This is the type number, battery type number. Okay. Now remove the SSD from the motherboard. This is 256 GB NVMe 2280 SSD. This is a keypad connection, and disconnect it. This is a keypad backlit connection, and disconnect it. Now disconnect the touchpad connection. This is HDD connection. Disconnect the HDD connection. Now remove the HDD. Unscrew 2 screws to remove the HDD. See, this is 1 TB 2.5 inch HDD. This is motherboard connection. Disconnect the motherboard connection. This is display connection. Now I am disconnecting the display connection. Disconnect the fan and unscrew 3 screws to remove the fan. Remove the all 3 screws. I have removed the fan. Remove Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card from the motherboard. I have removed it. This is DC port to charge the battery. This is DC connection. I have disconnected it. This is called a hinge, and I have to unscrew this to remove the motherboard. So I've removed it, and now this remove the speaker connection. Remove it. See, this is too small connection. There is a screw. Remove this screw to remove the motherboard. Now gently disconnect the power button. This is the power button connection. Now gently open the motherboard, remove it, and this is called motherboard. This is front of the motherboard, and this is back of the motherboard. I'm going to show you the RAM. This is 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. See, 8GB DDR4 3200. I am placing it again. Okay, this is heatsink. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you guys.